What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tough Kid, and you're welcome back to another video. If you are new here, please make sure to hit on the subscribe button, turn the post notification icon on so that I get notified every single time I drop another video. But if you are not new here, you're welcome back to the channel once again. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be breaking down AUD card, that's a currency pair from top to down, so that you also know how AUD card is also moving, the overall direction of AUD card, so that I can also take advantage of the short-term sales on AUD card. So from AUD card, let's start off from the weekly time frame. As you can see on my screen, from the weekly time frame, this resistance trend line is helping us to know market is in a downward trend. You can see my price touching here for the first time and the second time, and then price keep on moving, dunking to the downside of the market. So now we now know the direction of the market, which is the market is moving in a bullish type of movement, meaning market is moving down. So let's move on to the daily time frame. So we now know the current situation of the market, meaning market is moving to the downside of the market. So most of our position are gonna be taken on the downside of the market, meaning we are gonna be taking more of the sales of the market. So we are gonna be taking more sales than buys of the market. And as from this video is merely to help you understand that you can actually catch trade from the very top of your chart or your setup, catching trade from turning point mostly, because recently that's how I have been trading, and then it has been really good for me. So that's it. Got most of my setup that I will be showing from after this video onwards will be setup that I will be catching either from the top, meaning either from the resistance, the turning point, or either from the support. That's meaning from another turning point. So my most of my trade are gonna be based on the resistance and the support. So let's continue with this video. So on the daily time frame, you can see I have my deep vertical line here, meaning from this point to this point is a whole month. This point to this point is a whole month. So on the daily time frame, I also get another trend line. This is also another resistance trend line, also helping me to know price is still moving to the bearish side of the market. So you can clearly see when price dropped from this side, it came back to this side again, couldn't break above it, now came back here once again, and then price has been below the trend line, and then we have a very nice third touch here. I had a first touch here, a second touch here, and here is also a third touch of the trend line. So if you have not watched my trend line video, please go and watch, because that's literally my confirmation for me entering this setup. So from the daily time frame, I had everything done very nicely. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. So from the daily, from the weekly to the daily, and then from the daily, we clearly know that market is moving in the bearish side of the market. So most of our positions are gonna be taken on the bearish side of the market. And now you can clearly see this is the third touch of the trend line, and that's super nice. So you can clearly see from this strategy where I catch trade from either the resistance, that's the turning point, or either the support, that's also the turning point of the market, is where I just literally place my this horizontal tool at where the highest point on the 4-hour time frame. The highest point on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see from this side that you can see clearly from this side that here was, or here, okay, let me place it here was the last high market created before market push all the way to the downside here. So let me make it, so here was the last highest point price created before market price started off pushing all the way to the downside, all the way up to this point. So here also became another last low price created before price started off pushing all the way to the upside. So the knowledge or the thought process of this strategy is that I waited since price has been able to resist or move all the way to the downside. That means I can place my horizontal tool here, indicating that when price also reach that point, price will probably take that point or that resistance point as another resistance again for market to resist from that point. I hope you get me clear. So that's basically how I used this strategy. This is the last high from the 4-hour or the daily. This is the last high and this is the last low market created. So this is the last high and this is the last low market created. Then I'll just mark both of them. This is the support and this is also the resistance. So when market moved all the way from this last support here, push to the upside and then play around, come shy of this level, couldn't touch this support. Before we can enter a position, we have to wait for market to come to our support or resistance, touch that place, that support or resistance, give us a nice rejection right there, and then a confirmation rejecting that point, and then we are cool for another entry right there. But here we didn't get any resistance right here, so we didn't get any support right here rather. So market came shy around this level and then beginning to push all the way to the upside. So you can literally see here was the last high. Here you can see I marked it already that here was the last high market created, and the entire market structure is in a downward trend. So since market is in a downward trend and market has come on another last high, so I'm just waiting for market to just resist that point super nice, and market has done it super nice. And now you can see I just wait for more than like 3 candles or 4 candles before I just literally get into my position. So first of all, my confirmation is one, I use my last high or last low, but in this case I use my last high. This is the horizontal line here, also can also be referred to as the resistance. I used this as a confluence first, and then I used my candlestick confirmation rejecting at that point, and another additional candlestick confirmation is the trend line giving me a tail touch right at here. So we can see we have the candle rejecting this point super nice. Let me make it a little bit good for you guys to see. So you can see this first candle 1 2 3 4. So the 5th candle that show the bearish present in the market, and that's the 4-hour time frame. The bearish showing their presence in the market, and that's literally where I took the position after the close of the bearish candle right here, and then my stop losses is all the way to this level right here, so above the structure. So now my stop loss is literally 41, approximately like 40 is 41, so let's say 40, and then my take profit, I'm literally waiting for price to just give me the risk I'm risking, that is the 41, for price to give me this 41 to clear me off. Then I'll move my stop loss to break even place it right there and allow the market to run all the way to the downside. So I'm currently in this position. So you can see it's a good risk to reward. It's like 1:2.5. Yeah, 1:2.5. So that's it, guys. Very simple, and then for you guys. So I hope you find value in this video. If you have any question about this, let me know in the comment section, and I will make sure I answer you very nice, so that everything will be well. If you find value in this video, please make sure to hit on the subscribe button, turn the post notification icon on once again to get notified every single time I drop another video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.